Well, we loaded everything. This is what we have. See, look, there's a lake out there too.
What lake?
Hey guys, we just got here to the campsite. We're just gonna finalize the registration. So, yeah. And the kiddos. Hi, kiddos. Say hi to the YouTube.
Hi. Mom, look. Can we go down there? Later, Sayla, later. Okay. No, later,
Hey guys, we're pretty much set up with the 270 awning, with the sidewalls, and I just got done setting up my solar and my fan. So it goes from the very top from that box down to this coil wire that goes into the inside of the truck, straight into my power station. I'll show you right now. We'll open this up without me falling. And then, like I said, comes from on this side, right there, coming down straight into my power station. And I actually connected a surge protector here with a bunch of ports. And I also have the wire from the fan from the top. Is from here. I have it looping around for right now. And, oh, oops. And I have it connected actually right there. Okay, the fan's working. I got it open all the way around, just to get some breeze. We just got done airing up a mattress down here below, and we got the self-inflating REI co-op mattress. So we're gonna have about 3 of them up here, and obviously the bed is not deployed, so it'll be ready tonight when we go to bed. Hey guys, I want to say hi to YouTube.
Hello. Hey. You better come here else I'm doing you. Mom. Oh. You're so good.
Yes, this is like the campsite for Lopez Lake. This one that we have is called Del Norte, and there's like 4 levels. So one over here, and I'm going up right now to the 2nd level, and we still have the 3rd and the 4th up there. Here we got a Tesla camper. We got the EV9, Kia EV9. They're about setting up. They're right next to us. You want to go inside the camper? Okay. The kids just love to play in this camper. And my son here trying to show them how it works. I think they just want this to be like a playground.
Guys, I think that's a gummy. I got my own hat of my own.
Let's go take a little tour to the other levels here. See, second level. This is the third level. I think this campground or campsite, excuse me, fits or is supposed to only have 100 people or less. So it's a really big campsite. And here we're reaching the fourth level. My friend here, Ben, has a nice, really nice Toyota Tacoma. And like I said, this is the fourth level of our campsite. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Welcome to. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Hi.
Hi. Let's go back down. Fresh air. Can't beat it. More friends coming. Man, it's kind of warm. Let's see what we have to drink. Let's see what we got. And this is our, I believe it's called the Anchor Solix electric fridge. Let's see what the drinks are. Eggplant for later. And look at these guys with their electric vehicles, Tesla and EV9. Shout out to Kent Photo Booth, one of the best photo booths around the Central Coast, California. If you guys are interested. And see, these guys are both plugged into the same outlet. Interesting. I can't do that with my truck. Let's check out what we're gonna eat today. Oh, my wife is making sure the birria is ready. Beef birria. We have Filipino asado and teriyaki chicken. And we got some mangoes. And I don't know what it's called in Filipino, but it's to dip your whatever meat you have. It's really tasty. And there's this thing. Tasty, but I don't know what to call it either. Let's go check out what we have down here for food on the other level while they're singing karaoke. Let's see, we got some Filipino soup here called bulalo, beef bulalo. And we got some sausages on skewers. And what is this, Filipino hot dog?
Hot dog.
All right.
Filipino size hot dog.
What would you like to say to the channel?
Hi.
Guys, I just got ready for bed. It's not close to bedtime yet, but it's like late in the afternoon. I think it's actually later than that, but I've already got it set up for the kiddos to be sleeping up here. I got the REI co-op mattresses on top of the 2-inch foam mattress. Yeah, it's just a lot more comfortable. So we'll see how it goes tonight. This would be our first time using it for camping. So see you in a bit. Guys, I forgot to take a video, but I deployed the Top Oak shower tents. It's pretty cool. See, it's a lot like this. You can attach the a hose, I believe, up here somewhere. I'll link right here. And a little hinge system. And you use this, basically you just pull this and it comes out. I could be more in detail with it later. This is Lopez Lake, guys. This is about 8:30 in the evening. So light outside, it's beautiful. Oh man, good morning to everybody. Kids are still asleep. See what's for breakfast, guys.
Yep.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Look at this.
A little bit? Okay. Here. Oh, careful. Pick it up.
We're walking to the Mustang Water Park, Lopez Lake, with the kiddos. I don't really want to go in the water, but hey, you gotta do for the kiddos.
Dude, I want to do that. Don't do that. Was that a boat?
Got a little obstacle course here too, and zip line here at the campsite. All right, we're gonna go.
Like and subscribe!